Hello guys, so we're on to our second riding vlog, and today we're off to Rufford Old Hall, and if we get time after that we're going to Southport, and then after that I'm going to stop at a farm shop and get myself some food. Well, hey!
Hey,
Where are you?
you are?
Are we ready to head straight out?
As you wish.
Cool. It's a lovely little road. Croston Way, we're going over Croston Way. Oh, Doug's got stuck behind that car. Oh yes, so people, we've got, my mum is with me on her Triumph Street Triple. Doug is with us, he's on his CBR 1100 Blackbird, and Paul and Lisa are with us on his Suzuki Bandit 1250. So 4 bikes in total, so it's nice and easy, you can keep an eye on everyone, and it shouldn't be a problem. Roadworks, more roadworks again. All out shop roadworks. See if he goes for kill. Nope, it's staying behind him. I thought Doug were going to go for overtake then. So yeah, it's going to be a short run again, another short run. But that's because I've got to get my little one from school, so it can only be a short run. But that's not a problem, because it just seems like it's a nice little run. If everything works out well and goes right, it should be a nice little interesting run. Trying to keep it slow for them to catch up. Luckily there's no turn-offs yet anyway, so this should be good. No one's going to get lost, I hope. I'll just wait for them a minute, let them catch up. Yep, they've all seen me. So the first time ever on my motorbike, oh that looks nice. The first time ever on my motorbike, I've decided to use my sat-nav on my phone. Never ever use it. Trusty old pen and paper, that's what I always use. And It's always served me well, but I put it on my tank bag. And my tank bag is in the way of the camera. So fingers crossed this should be a nice clear shot now. Except for my water bottle being in wear. That shouldn't be in wear. So they should be fine. There shouldn't be any dramas today. Which there sometimes is. Oh, where's Doug gone? Where the hell has Doug gone? I think I'm going to pull in behind this van. I say there shouldn't be any dramas. Seems like we've got dramas. Here they are. They've caught up. Welcome to Croston. Keep it nice and slow so people can keep up. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride it where I like. More roadworks. Hey, thank you. Hey. Average speed cameras. Spoiling the fun. Set my cruise control on, so don't get done. Look at that. Can't beat cruise control, can you? Bloody brilliant. Ace idea. So we have 3 action cams today, and I've not put the third one in use. I was going to have it facing me, but I'm not bothering. And I was going to give it to my mum, but I forgot. But I can give it her on the next bit, after Rufford Hall. So I've got one chest-mounted camera that my mic's connected to. I've got a rear-facing camera that hopefully is getting some better footage than when I did a test ride the other day, because it was wobbling all over the place. So I've put it on Rocksteady Plus, and that should balance the camera out a bit more. The left ear. And I've also brought my gimbal so we can record a bit going around the place, and I've brought my drone, so that should get some nice aerial shots of Rufford Old Hall. Rufford Old Hall should be here. Here we go. So welcome guys to Rufford Old Hall.
This jacket's shrunk a bit
Where
over
is?
winter.
I'm sure. Is the cafe not in this building? Oh right, okay. No worries.
Can't hear it.
As long as it's not the sausages and bacon that's gone
Oh,
up.
who knows? Have you visited before? I'm one of the volunteer guides here.
No,
Have you
I
visited
haven't.
Would cafe be on?
Well, as soon as the fire alarm is sorted and they've identified if there's any problems, then it doesn't open till 10:30 anyway. So that's lucky.
Oh right.
Yeah, so us volunteers will get here to sort of open up the house and stuff.
Yeah, it's really nice inside though. There's loads of. It's like a museum. There's loads
been
of.
in?
Yeah, I've been in. Yeah, I've been before. Let's get some grub. Oh, my gloves. Right then. It's got full beam on. So there we go, that was Rufford Old Hall. Lovely place, I highly recommend paying it a visit. And now we're back on the road and on our way to Southport. With now Doug leading on my bike.